Okay, so welcome and thank you for coming this afternoon. We are at Sierra Vista Pool, and behind me is our dedication of our new slides for Sierra Vista. I'm happy to announce to you that we just put in this new addition with the help of Dave Simon, Director of Parks and Recreation Department. This new slide is approximately $70,669 from my set aside in the 2020, so last year's actually set aside. The renovation is a really great addition, as you can see behind me with the kids, to our pool. And I also want to announce that we have two pools here at this particular center in District 5. And I'd also like to tell you that we have $50,000 from our 2021 state legislative funding for tennis court restriping, and also some new lighting for our tennis courts. Our tennis courts are just south of here. So we're really excited because, as you can see, it's really being utilized. I brought my little puppy here, Brittany, and she's ready to go swimming. She's got her bathing suit on. Anyway, we're happy to answer any questions, but before that, I want to introduce Dave Simon to say a few words.
Sierra Vista Pool is one of two city aquatic facilities on this side of town, and it has always been very popular, and it's going to be even better than ever now with the support of Council Borrego and her investment in this great facility. Now, this slide was originally installed actually way back in 2010, but in 2018 our patrons began letting us know that the slide was a little bit uncomfortable to use and starting to be difficult to actually slide down. So we knew it was time to do something. And we decided a resurfacing would extend the life of these slides and was the smartest way to invest in the facility. And Councilor Borrego stepped in to save the day with her set-aside funds, $70,000, to fix up this slide. And I will say that we were able to work with a contractor to completely recondition these slides. They smoothed out the joints between the pieces and sections in the slides, sanded them down for a smoother surface, replaced all the caulking, fixed the leaks, and to put the finishing touches on, we refreshed the paint for a more vibrant color, waxed them down to make them fast, and now this is the result. And I can say these slides are back, and they are better than ever. And thanks to Councilor Borrego, these super slides are as good as new, and they're going to last us another decade or more with Councilor Borrego's help. The only harder part of the story was that as soon as we completed the project, COVID hit. So unfortunately, our newly refurbished slides had to wait patiently for swimmers to return to Sierra Vista. But since we've reopened Sierra Vista Pool on Memorial Day weekend, we have gotten rave reviews from the swimmers using these slides, as you can see for yourself. So I would invite the public to come visit Sierra Vista, splash down, cool off, or learn to swim. And what we're seeing right now, Counselor, is that this facility normally gets over 50,000 visitors a year. During the peak season, almost 1,000 people a day come to visit and use the tennis center and pool. And we are already back to those pre-pandemic use levels, which just goes to show how popular and important these facilities are for your constituents, yes, but for the whole city. So we want to welcome Burqueños back to Sierra Vista. Please come and try out these new super fast reconditioned slides. Now, we've also been working closely with Councilor Borrego on additional potential improvements to the Sierra Vista facility. And as Council Borrego mentioned, through her efforts at the state legislature, we've received $50,000 for new investments in the Sierra Vista complex. And so we are looking at projects such as restriping for pickleball courts and potentially new lighting on the tennis courts. And these are going to add a whole new user group to the facility, expand the hours, and diversify the uses of this already great facility. And we're so grateful, Councilor Borrego, for your support for Parks and Recreation efforts, because you know when we make investments in park and rec facilities, we are making an investment in our entire community for the long term. So thank you for that. And one of the other projects we're looking at is right behind me to our over our left shoulder, which is to convert an area that's underutilized right now, which is an old sand volleyball court which gets almost no use. We're looking at trying to convert that into a wonderful shade structure which would be available for families in the community to use. So, you know, in summary, with Councilor Borrego's help, Sierra Vista is back, is better than ever, and the future for Sierra Vista Pool and Tennis Center is brighter than ever. Thank you so much, Councilor, for your great support. We're happy to take any questions you may have.
Thank you. Director Simon is here to answer any questions. I'm here to answer any questions. I just want to invite District 5 residents to come and enjoy these fun activities at Sierra Vista Pool, and bring your kids, and let's just have a good time. Thank you.